bagambira mu rushitamo rw'abanyishengero rwabaherizo bakanda abanyishengero nibenda polisi ekwatanitse nayo y'ubwegese aharengo rwa district team okureba ngo barwanisa okukeza beji okuzaha amashomero okurwanisa kubatwara umuntu yayo aha motoka zikuzirana no kureba ngo abazire tibihwaho sente nyinji.
Mr. Speaker, some time back again, to do with the SACHURA, we raised an issue of transportation of children in the morning schools. You find kids being picked at 4 a.m., 3 a.m., and then when you visit schools at 8 a.m., all of them are sleeping in school, in classes. Then you say, why wouldn't they be left to sleep and be picked at 7?
We have seen schools continuing to organize tours for children from long distances, and most of them are return journeys. So, Right Honorable Speaker, the Minister then pledged to bring a statement to update this House on the new guidelines. And I also want to know why, despite these guidelines, the school tours, which are okay, but the long distance tours have continued.
Notwara abana abashyize imyaka yo kuza kushoma ebibareba. Icya kabiri toshemerere kubatwara nyekiro. Icya kashatu toshemerere kubatwara umuringo mubi kubatanka hatipa naraharzarori. After no bapangisiza basi abana nibagenda batashitamirene nibagenda bashitamije nibagenda bar comfortable
okurambura n'ukurungi abo kuba nukushomesa kwegesa omuntu cyashemerire ato omuntu yaba naruga nkabahanga umurubu bwejo arukwija mbarara ninga rukuza Kampala nubwo mu rugo rwo kubanza kureba chorus ubundi no mu rugo kubanza kureba nkamashanyarazi nkaga ndinga kureba imotoka nyingi nezatakariyebaga.
State Minister abubye bwegese Peter Ogwanga inshongeje yagisindika abanyamyoga ombye bwegese arengo rwa district team.
You also aware that some schools are making it a business, and that's why we said there must be the involvement of the district education officer in terms of clearing whether it is a study tour or it is entertainment tours. Name them.
Kona shizarore no muntu hatubenda kutaraka kuzibihingamu umutwara abantu manya ne moto ko netware ente ne basataininga condition yayo ahubwo kuba nente zazijya motoka nazo zino bugabe ntabwo cyo waza kutabana mu motoka icyo kubanza icyo kutwara abana harore umwihangomu cyekwa n'inhemerezo bwese kwasagara gukora.
Omukwezi kwa katane biro bitanu mwaka ogu Minisitiri y'Ubwegese Kashoze ngenderaho ezi amashomero gino kuratera gabangaza kugira skuru tuwa ezirumu kandi obumwe n'obukwakuruzo bwo kureba ngo abazire bikiriza ngo abana babo bazo mu rutayayo obutatwara abana bato omuntayezi omuzire kuhandikira ishomero arukwikiriza ngo omwana we agenda mu kurambura amashomero kushobora amakuru go kurambura okurabe kutebekanisibwe habona nebindi.